What up, guys? Alright guys, so I'm going to show you the trick. It's called behind the 8 ball. I think that's what it's called. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys the trick. It's hard to get the whole trick into the frame. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you the trick in normal speed, and then after that I'm going to do the slow-mo like in the previous video. And one more time. So if you're not careful on the last flip, I'll show you, the blade can cut you. So basically you start out with a couple of spins, so just like that. So you can do this basically, just to kind of build up momentum. So you go 1, 2, and then on that last one you stick your finger out. So hell yeah. Right there. Right, so then what's gonna happen is, so you're going 1, 2, 3, and then you're bringing this over like this, and then around. You gotta go 1, 2, 3, and then you, with the momentum, you're flinging this back like this, and you gotta get it to go around the index finger, and then around here, and then as you get it, you flip it around. And this is the part that can cut you, because once you have it like this, and you flip it, you gotta catch it to, but the blade is coming towards your hand, like that, and you gotta flip it up. 1, 2, 3, up, and then use the momentum, and then flick it again, and then you gotta use the momentum again to grab the right handle and flip it down.
Back from the dead.
We're back from the dead.
Hell yeah.
We're back from the dead. Back from the dead. Back from the dead.